I don't know, you might get something out.
Ho! What? You know we bring it hot. Looks like every freestyle to come out of Mexico. Needs more head spin. Hot diggle diggle, hot diggle diggle, hot. Hot diggle diggle.
I'm gonna laugh if that broke Jim's glasses. At least now I know where the twist ties are.
1 T Y M.
This time no getting a bait.
That is a Scoozy, trademark Hasbro Corporation. I don't know who owns the copyright, I just wanted to be stupid. So they don't sue us. Oh. Breathe hot on the MIC. Hot tugga tugga, hot tugga tugga, hot.
What do you think?
Lol, 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 lol.
Whatever. He's
He's like,
Let's go get it.